Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll be creating a glowing neon text effect using Affinity. It's one of those effects that looks really impressive, but is actually pretty straightforward to create. Let's get into it. First, I'll go to Pixel and select New Fill Layer. Then I'll change the color to black. Neon always looks best on a dark background. Now I'll grab the Adhesive Text tool. I'll change the color to white so we can see it, and type space on the canvas. I'll change the font to something thin, like this. Thin fonts work really well for neon effects. They really capture that neon sign look. Next, I'll select the Move tool, and I'm gonna duplicate the text twice. Let me move this down first. Now I'll hold down Alt and also Shift to keep it straight and drag it up. Then I'll hold down Alt and Shift again and drag this text to duplicate once more. Now I'll select the bottom text and change the color to purple. Then I'll select the middle text and give it a slightly lighter purple. And for the top text, I'll go with a very light purple, almost white. Next, I'll grab the contour tool and place my cursor over the middle text, the lighter purple one. Then slide to the right to create an offset, making it slightly thicker. I can also set the radius directly from the context toolbar. I'll go with 10 pixels for this one. Then I'll do the same for the bottom text, the purple one, but I'll make this one even thicker. I'll set the radius to 20 pixels. Now I'll select all three texts and align them to center. From here, I'll select the lighter purple text, which is this layer, go to Filters and select Gaussian Blur. I'll slide the radius up to 5 pixels. It might not be very visible right now, but if I hide the bottom text, the purple one, you can see the blur is there. Then I'll select the bottom text, go to Filters again, and select Gaussian Blur. This time I'll slide the radius up to 15 pixels. Now I'll add a shadow to the neon text. I'll select the top text, the very light one, and press Ctrl J to duplicate it. Then I'll drag the duplicate just below the top text layer. Then I'll go to the color panel and change the color to black. Now I'll use the arrow keys to move it slightly, just enough to give it that shadow look. Then I'll bring the opacity down to around 40% to make it feel more like a subtle shadow rather than a solid one. And just like that, our neon text effect is done. Now if you want to change the color, here's a quick and easy way to do it. I'll select all of the text layers and group them together. Then go to Adjustments and select Recolor. Let me drag it inside the group so it only affects the text and not the black background. From there, I can slide the hue until I get the color I want. And if needed, I can fine-tune it further by adjusting the saturation and lightness as well. Really handy for experimenting with different neon colors. And the best part is, everything here is fully editable. The Gaussian blur, the colors, even the text itself. And that's it for creating a glowing neon text effect in Affinity. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and give it a try. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!